In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set open to work on LinkedIn. If you're actively job searching or even just open to new opportunities, turning on the open to work feature can help recruiters and employers understand that you're interested. It's a simple setting, and in this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to find it and how to choose the right option. First, go to your profile on LinkedIn. You can do this after signing into your account by clicking your profile picture or your name and opening your personal profile page. This is where LinkedIn displays your professional headline, experience, and profile photo. And it's also where you'll find the tools for letting others know you're open to opportunities. Make sure you're on your own profile, not someone else's, so you can access the settings you need. Once you're on your profile, look for the Open to button. This is typically located near the top section of your profile, around your intro area. It's designed to help you quickly highlight what you're looking for, whether that's a new job, hiring talent, or offering services. For this tutorial, we're focusing on job search settings, so click on Open to continue. After that, choose from the available options, such as finding a new job. This is the option you'll want if you want LinkedIn to show that you're open to employment opportunities. Selecting this will begin the setup process for your job preferences. As you go through it, LinkedIn may ask you for details about the kinds of roles you want, your preferred locations, or how visible you want this status to be. Take a moment to choose carefully, since these settings can affect how recruiters discover your profile. A helpful tip here is to make sure the rest of your profile is updated before or shortly after you turn this on. If employers click your profile after seeing that you're open to work, they'll likely review your headline, experience, and skills right away. A complete and polished profile can make a much better first impression. And that's it. To set open to work on LinkedIn, just go to your profile, click open to, and select an option like finding a new job. It only takes a minute, and it can make your job search more visible and more effective. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.